Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, located in Noida Sector 76, Delhi NCR. With their exceptional expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they are the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. Whether you require product redesign, analysis, or documentation, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to providing innovative solutions that will exceed your expectations. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with their outstanding services. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from the rest. Their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction is unparalleled. With years of experience in the industry, they have perfected the art of reverse engineering. Whether you need to replicate an existing product or improve upon its design, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Their attention to detail and precision engineering will ensure that your project is completed with utmost accuracy. Located in the heart of Noida Sector 76, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently accessible to clients in the region. This strategic location allows them to cater to a wide range of industries and businesses in the area. Whether you are in the automotive, aerospace, or consumer electronics industry, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the capabilities to meet your unique requirements. Their team of skilled engineers and technicians are equipped with the latest technology and tools to handle even the most complex reverse engineering projects. At Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, customer satisfaction is their top priority. They understand the importance of delivering high-quality results within tight deadlines. With their efficient workflow and streamlined processes, they ensure that your project is completed on time and within budget. Are you in search of top-notch reverse engineering services in Noida Sector 76, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to provide you with the best solutions. With their expertise and experience in the field, they are the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. Whether you are in the manufacturing industry or any other sector, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies is their commitment to delivering high-quality results. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in reverse engineering projects, and they ensure that every detail is meticulously captured. With their state-of-the-art equipment and skilled team, they can handle even the most complex projects with ease. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of solutions. From 3D scanning and modeling to CAD design and prototyping, they have the expertise